Prompt payment is the single most important indicator that a GC or CM value and respect their contractor teams that actually build the buildings, without whom it would be impossible to satisfy their clients. Okay. So the GCs are relying on the subcontractors that are out there with tool in hand and material going up and are reliant. And then, so you want to show respect? Pay.
Yeah.
Pay on time.
This is a great one. This is the case that I didn't realize this. I didn't realize this until I started up a business that was a service-based thing.
Yep.
And I had to lay money on the line to go do the project and then get paid for it.
And wait.
And wait, and wait, and wait. And oh, we lost your invoice. Really? Are you freaking kidding me? We're already on a net 90. Are you serious? Really?
Yeah, so 6
net
months later.
130.
6 months later,
frick, man.
You get money. It can be a real rub.
For me, I'm like, how do contractors, like specialty contractors, stay in business without millions and lines of credit? They literally can't. Is the answer?
They literally can't unless they're like already holding. And let's be honest, like we're all trying to build businesses.
Most of them aren't. Like you think about like this mom and pop shop, or like this dude who like, he's a welder and he got this bright idea one day. He wants to go out and start a fabrication business or something. Like it is a really difficult path to start up a specialty contractor business with the financial model that we have in place. Now, here's the thing. The GC paying for what has been done, I agree with. That's fine. Like let's track with like the progress of the job. Pay quickly. But like, yeah, if we get the thing done, pay us for it.
Yeah.
Don't say, oh, you got the thing done, now you got to wait 90 days and be a big pain in the crack about it, because you are going to run your sub out of business and you're really going to be in a pickle.
Yeah.
Because then you're going to be bringing somebody else to the table to pick up the pieces where they left off. It keeps them motivated if you pay them on time, big time.
So I'm going to say yes, all that. And I told you, that got you.
That one irritates the snot out of me. And I think the financials, like the way we run our financials in construction has got to change. Because like literally the subcontractors,
they're financing
the whole freaking project, and the GC's holding the noose around their neck.
They're like buying the material, they're paying their labor, there's so many things that they're doing, and then they wait. So
irritates the snot out of me.